sounds. Sights. Food at maraming food. Ibinida ang Best of Clark, Pampanga and the rest of Region 3 sa welcome dinner ng nasa 700 delegates ng meeting, incentives, conference, and events convention o MICECON na ginanap sa new passenger terminal ng Clark International Airport Miyerkules ng gabi. Talaga namang nalula ang lahat ng bisita dahil bukod sa remote hot air balloons sa airport grounds, babatiin din sila ng cultural dancers sa entrance at mapapawaw sa umaapaw na dami ng sisig kung saan kilala ang Pampanga. Aktual itong iniluluto sa 8x4 feet na laki ng stainless sizzling plate gamit ang mga higanting shense at ang 200 kilo ng dami ng ulo ng baboy at nasa 90 kilos ng sibuyas.
Sisig Pampanga is super good. You should try it.
Dahil tinaguri ang culinary capital of the Philippines, sa finger food at appetizers pa lang, mabubusog na. Tulad ng pitichan o chicharon, atsara, sauteed mushrooms, mangga at singkamas na may bagoong, putong babi o paradadas.
Very unexpected. I've never had a party inside the departures hall of an airport, which usually are just boring and you want to get out as quickly as possible. Now I want to stay.
Sa main course, Asian cuisine, tampok ang mga ipinagmamalaking pagkain ng mga Asian neighboring countries tulad ng Thailand, Qatar, Arab Emirates, South Korea, Japan, Taiwan, Singapore, Hong Kong at Philippines.
We are telling the whole world that this is one good place where they can do, of course, MICE conferences, and we are welcoming international guests. Hopefully, we hope that it will have to blossom, no, into something that will be creative, and at the same time it will create more job opportunities for our kababayan.
But wait, there's more! Ang panghimagas mula sa pang-international na macarons at croissants na proudly gawa sa Clark. Meron ding mga native delicacies tulad ng uraro, mga suman, kalamay, ginataan, torones de casoy at tsokolating batirol.
I am amazed, I'm just from the next province, Bulacan, but I'm so amazed at the development that has happened here at Clark. So I think I'll be here more often. Yeah, with my family, and probably the Office of the Solicitor General will have many of its events here.
Fun-filled dinner dahil may mga performance din from our very own local artists. Bukod sa market tour at pagpunta sa mga local suppliers, pinasyal din sila sa mga ipinagmamalaking destinations sa Clark, Pampanga at iba pang karatig probinsya. At dahil pinopromote ang Clark bilang isa sa mga best destinations sa bansa, itatayo na rin dito ang pangmalakasang convention center na aabot sa 20,000 ng seating capacity.
Clark, as the MICE destination, we are completing the facilities. And what we need in Clark right now is a big convention and cultural center. We have already segregated 5.4 hectares by the parade grounds, and CDC is going to fund the construction of this.
Full support din ng Provincial Government of Pampanga sa aktibidad. Kinatawa ni Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, si Vice Governor Lilia Nanay Pineda. Magtatagal ang MICECON hanggang July 12. 10 taon na nang huling mag-host ng MICECON ang probinsya.